How to change your Oculus Quest username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's quick guide video, I'm exactly going to show you how you can change your username on your Oculus Quest. So for that, you'll need to open up a web browser and then open up the website of Oculus Quest, or you can directly search for secure.oculus.com. Once you do that, if you have not yet logged in to your Oculus account on your web browser, you can easily log in, and after that you'll land on this interface. Now once you do, you'll see an option of username right here. You can tap on edit and you can add in your new username and then the password to your Oculus. Now the one thing that you need to know is that you can change your username only once every 6 months. So if you had previously changed within the past few months, you cannot do it now and you'll need to wait out. But if you haven't, you can just type in a new username that you want to add and then type in your password and then tap on save right here. And that's about it. Your username on Oculus will be changed. If you guys like this video and found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to also comment down below what kind of video should we create next. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.